Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printers under $2,000. The output of each 3D printer is improving, so don't worry about missing out on quality when it comes to budget printing. These 3D printers can be used in any condition and 3D print anything you want with accuracy and durability. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers under $2,000. To help you out, we've put together a list of the best 3D printers under $2,000 that offer the highest quality prints for the price, as well as a few features that make them stand out from the pack. This 3D printer is primarily for users who want to create detailed projects precisely. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is pcvpov 3D printer. Have you been searching for the ultimate 3D printing experience without breaking the bank? Introducing the number 1 contender in the realm of affordable 3D printers under $2,000, the pcvpov 3D printer. Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey into creativity and innovation. The pcvpov 3D printer is a force to be reckoned with many cutting-edge features. Its user-friendly 3.5-inch color touchscreen controller makes navigating the printing process a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious manual leveling thanks to the intelligent automatic leveling system that effortlessly brings your prints to life. Experience unlimited printing possibilities with the pcvpov's high-precision guide rails, ensuring impeccable print quality and long-lasting durability. Its spacious print size of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters allows you to materialize your ideas in larger dimensions, perfect for home enthusiasts and aspiring creators in educational settings. Equipped with a versatile Titan extruder, this remarkable machine can handle a variety of consumables, from flexible filaments to ABS, PLA, PETG, and beyond. Don't let filament mishaps hinder your progress. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now.